Unleashing your inner strength. Understanding, rally your strength. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful and motivating phrase, rally your strength. This expression is not just about physical power, it's about summoning all your inner resources and resilience. Whether you're learning English for personal development, professional growth, or simply to explore the beauty of the language, understanding such phrases can truly enrich your communication. Let's get started and explore what it means to rally your strength and how you can apply this concept in various aspects of life. The phrase, rally your strength, is a call to action. To rally means to come together and unite, often for a common cause or to achieve a goal. When we talk about rallying your strength, it's about gathering all your energy, willpower, and determination to face challenges or undertake difficult tasks. It's not just physical strength we're talking about. It's also your mental and emotional resilience. This expression is often used in situations where someone needs to overcome an obstacle, recover from a setback, or simply push through a tough time. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. After a long illness, someone might need to rally their strength to get back to their daily routine. In the face of adversity, like a challenging project at work, you might encourage your team to rally their strength to achieve success. During a marathon, a runner might need to rally their strength in the last few kilometers to reach the finish line. These examples show that rallying your strength is about summoning your inner power to achieve something significant or overcome a hurdle. Rallying your strength is a skill that can be developed. Here are some tips. 1. Focus on your goal. Keep your eyes on the prize. Remembering why you're doing something can give you the strength to continue. 2. Positive self-talk. Encourage yourself. Remind yourself of your capabilities and past successes. 3. Seek support. Sometimes, rallying your strength can mean leaning on others for support and encouragement. 4. Take care of your body and mind. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and mindfulness practices can build your physical and mental resilience. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and power behind the phrase, rally your strength. Remember, it's not just about summoning the energy to move forward. It's about uniting all aspects of your being, mental, physical, and emotional, for a purpose. Whether you're facing a personal challenge or aiming for a professional goal, remember that you have the strength within you. Rally it, and nothing will be too hard to overcome. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.